If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Solana video update today. It seems like all of this coins, for example Jasmine, okay, it's making a very similar pattern, and which is actually known as a V-shaped recovery. Number one, Jasmine made it. Number two, if I dive into the SHIB, you can see that SHIB also made the very same SHIB, V-shaped recovery. And then if you go back to Solana as well, you can see that Solana came down and then moved to the upside, and you already have that V-shaped recovery at the moment. So if I do take the trend line, you have the trend line right over there, and you haven't really broken out of anything, but you're looking to break out. Now, I've actually done Google as well, and you can see that this is how the V bottom pattern actually looks like on a educational purposes. So neckline here, pullback target, and then you go to the upside. So we need to see a break of the neckline, a back test of the neckline, and then a shoot to the upside. And you're going to have a technical target if you do that from the top to bottom here, and you can see that Solana could be interested to go to 24.52 level. So that's going to be a price move of nearly 7%. Now you haven't broken out of this thing. I just want to dive into the daily and talk about another thing as well. So if I look at the daily time frame, it seems like you also have an Adam and Eve double top. Okay, so these are two patterns that I'm looking forward to. Number one is that you have this very broad top and a very narrow top. Do you see that? This is known as an Adam and Eve double top. So here we go, Adam and Eve pattern. Actually, I'm just going to write in here double top pattern. Okay, and I do have a trading course for this one to teach you a lot of stuff. So here we go, something like this. Here we are, left peak, right peak. You can see that the left peak is almost like a circular motion, comes down, and then you go with the narrow top right there. So that's known as an Adam and Eve double top. Or also another example you can see is very similar to this one. So Solana has Adam and Eve double top pattern, and this is where the neckline is. So I'm actually making you prepared for this pattern if you break below the neckline, which of course you haven't broke below the neckline. So breaking below the neckline is what's left, and backtesting and failing the retest of the neckline is what we need to see. So if you look at it at the pattern this way, we need to come and close below at $19.4 and backtest $20.8 or even $21, fail the retest, and you're going to see a technical target to go from the top to the bottom right here, and you can see Solana trying to fly all the way down to $15.69. And that's it for this update on Solana. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.